Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Key to Blogging, and let's check how we can add a voice search feature in our WordPress website. So as you can see, either user can search through text or directly voice command it to search anything on your website. So let's check how it works. So suppose I want to search for this article SEO visibility. So let's check how it works. SEO visibility. And as you can see, it automatically goes to the SEO visibility article. Now let me search for any other term. Google. And here it is. And let me search keyword rank. How many keywords can you rank for? And as you can see, this is the search result. So in this way you can add a voice search feature and it will also work in mobile. So let me switch to mobile view. Let me click on the menu and here it is. So let me search for it. Google. Keyword. So let's check how we can implement this voice search in our WordPress website. And before that, if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. Alright, now I am in the WordPress dashboard. Here you need to use a code manager plugin. So here just go to plugins and click on add new, and you can simply search for code manager. So I am searching for WP code, and here I am using the WP code insert header and footer plus custom code snippet. So make sure to install and activate this plugin, and after that you will see a code snippet button. Just click on that, and here just click on add new, and I will click on add your custom code snippet. And here make sure to select PHP snippet and let me add voice search. Now we need to copy a code like this. Let's paste this and let me activate this code snippet and let's hit save. After that we need to add a shortcode where I want to display the search field. So for this what I can do is I will go to appearance, click on customize, and I will go to header and let me click on the plus, and I will add a HTML block here. I will click on setting and I need to paste a shortcode like this, voice search. So let me copy that and let me paste it here. Now it will add a voice search feature like this. Now if you want to add it to mobile, then just click on mobile, click on here, click on HTML, and click on the setting and paste this shortcode like this, so that it will add the same search field in the mobile device as well. Now let's expand it. Let me open a page, and suppose I want to add it in the sidebar. Then I will go back, go to wizards, click on sidebar 1, and let me replace the existing search field, and I will click on plus, and I will search for custom HTML block, or I will search for shortcode and paste this shortcode like this. Let's publish this and let me close this. So as you can see, we have the search field enabled here in the header section, and you can also display it in the footer section or in the sidebar. So let's test this. So let me type something like keyword and let's hit enter, and it will work by typing the text or by clicking on voice search. So let me do that. Google Sheet formulas, and here it is. This is how it will automatically search for the content within the website, and it is very easy to implement. You can use the shortcode whether you are using Cadence theme or if you are using Elementor or any other page builder. You can easily insert the shortcode to display the search box. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this that is coming in the future. And don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you.